Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your game download progress and also any kind of update you get for that game. Now, I'm just going to go to my collection and I'm going to find a quick game to download. So let's go ahead and choose Black Ops 4 just because it's a large download. And when I download a game on my PlayStation 5, it's instantly going to be added to my collection for my downloads folder. So you can see in the upper right side of the screen, it says 2 items added to downloads. I can press the PlayStation button and I can go to my downloads and uploads and I can view the current progress. It says I have like 24 minutes left, but to easily get to this section, what I can do is press the PlayStation button, or I can view on the home screen. If it's downloading, it will be right next to Explore and I can see it right here, and then I can just simply select it and I can see the progress there. But most of the time, you want to press the PlayStation button and then go on down to where it says download/upload. If you don't see this, press options, and you might see under the hidden control panels right here, or the hidden controls, just move it from the bottom to the top with the D-pad. Then we can go to download/upload and we can see the game progress. Then here are some recently installed items and game updates. So Modern Warfare 2, that updated yesterday, so I can select it and I can just view it. Or I can press options under here and I can clear all the installed items out, go to yes, and then I can just see the thing downloading. Otherwise, I can go to this. If it's downloading a little bit slower, I could try pausing it and then resuming it just to prompt it to download quicker. So let's go to resume now. Or maybe it's in like a download queue where this is like behind 2 or 3 different games and I want to download this first. Well, I can pause the other downloads and then I can come to here and I can start this up so it downloads first. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.